Welcome to Boutir Tutorials.
In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to link Facebook and Instagram to your online store.
For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Boutir app to start.
Scroll down and choose Set up Pixel, Shop, and Catalog. Next, choose Connect to Facebook. It will then redirect you to your browser to log into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap Continue. Here, you will see an overview of what is going to be connected. If you have any parts that aren't set up yet, don't worry, as there will be an option to create them later on. Tap Continue. Now, you can choose your Business Manager account. Next, choose your Facebook page. Then, select your Instagram profile. Now, for selecting catalog, please ensure that you select the catalog for your business and not your personal catalog. Next, select your ad account. Lastly, select your Facebook Pixel account. You will then have to double-check your linked account. Once checked, tap on Continue. Here, you may check the permissions that Boutir has for your linked account. Tap on Next. A pop-up will then appear once the linking is successful. Tap Done. Now, reopen your Boutir app. Here, you can check the brief summary of your linked Facebook account. You may edit or disconnect this in the future. Now, we will move on to adding products via Instagram. In your homepage, you'll see the Products button at the bottom of your app. Next, click on the plus button and it will show you 4 options of sources to upload your product photo. Choose Import from Instagram and choose the photo that you want. Here, you will then insert the details of your product. Do note that while importing from Instagram, Boutir will copy the caption of your post as the product title and detail. Edit what is needed and add the required detail. Once done, click Save.
With that, your store is now set. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.